Today we're going to install some new hubs, and they're still 12 mil hex, but they're going to be a little bit thicker. And the reason why is whenever I upgraded to these metal drive shafts, there's a lot of threads sticking out here, and the shoulder starts sooner. So I'm worried that I'm not getting a good enough bite with these nuts here. So to kind of illustrate that, I'll show you this, and then one that I've already put on, and then I'll show you one that I haven't, and you may be able to see what I'm talking about. So right here with the thicker hubs, I've got about 2.5 threads sticking out. Back here on the factory plastic hubs, these are about 5.5 mils thick, I think. I've got at least 4 threads sticking out. Now let me pull these off and I'll show you a little more. All right, here is one of the new 7mm thick hubs installed. And you can see that it's almost all threads. We've got about 3 mils of a shaft with no threads right there. But on the original ones, you can see there's a lot more of that shaft that sticks out. And the problem that I was having was there's not a lot of meat on these wheels right here. And the thickness or the amount of metal poking out before the threads was just about the same thickness as where the wheel is, where the nut goes onto it. So I don't think I was getting a very good clamping force. I don't know, maybe I was. This is just overkill, but it doesn't hurt to have a little bit wider stance anyway. So I'm going to show you how to swap these things out. It's super duper easy. So the first thing we've got to do is we need a pocket knife or a thin flathead screwdriver, and we're going to get it in between this hub and the knuckle. Just kind of stick it in there and then wiggle it side to side. Then the hub will start to come off. And be careful because the little pin will also want to fall out. So there's our pin, and there's the old hub. Side by side, there doesn't look like there's a whole lot of a difference. This one is 7 mils thick again, and this one's between 5.25 and 5.5, somewhere in there. An important thing to note is these new ones, since they're made of metal and they don't click on and off, there's actually a set screw down inside there. And you definitely want to put some blue thread locker on it. It's going to be 1.5 mil Allen key. That should be in your Traxxas toolkit if you have one. If not, I'll put a link down in the description, and you should definitely buy one. It is one of the best things you could have in your RC backpack or toolbox. So we'll just put a little dab on here. Don't overdo it. Definitely don't use like super glue or red Loctite, because this is the part that you take off, you know, when you want to do maintenance like axles and things like that, A-arms. All right, let's go ahead and slide our new pin in. It's good if you turn your axle a little bit so that pin goes side to side instead of up and down. Then we just slide our hub on there. And once you have your hub on there, go ahead and grab the axle and pull it out as much as you can before you tighten this up. Don't go wild, just get it, you know, good and tight. And that thread locker is going to be what's mainly holding that thing from backing out. So that's pretty much it. Now you're just going to put your wheel back on, and you can obviously see, well, hopefully you can see, I know it's a small part, that there is a lot less of that shaft sticking out. In the back, it's almost all threads here on the rear. We maybe have 1/2 to 3/4 of a millimeter, and that's it. So now we're going to have a lot better clamping to put our wheels on. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll put a link in the description for that toolkit and also for these hubs. Oh, they do come in different sizes, by the way. Not just 7 mil. I think they also come in 10 mils thick. So 10 mils wouldn't work on the factory axles. I don't think that's too thick, but they would definitely work on these metal ones. Thanks for watching. See you next time.